What is a business continuity management system? When disruption strikes, the difference between organizations that survive and those that struggle is preparation. In the next few minutes, we will explain what a BCMS is, how business impact analysis, BCP, and RTO fit together, and why ISO 22301 is the global framework for building organizational resilience. Let us get started. A business continuity management system is the structured framework of processes, plans, and controls that enables an organization to continue or rapidly restore critical operations during and after disruptive incidents. Structured management system for maintaining operations during disruptions. A BCMS is not a single plan, but a complete management system that encompasses the policies, processes, plans, and competencies needed to ensure the organization can maintain or restore its most critical activities when disruption occurs. At its core, the BCMS identifies which activities are critical to organizational survival, analyses the consequences of their disruption, and establishes the strategies and plans needed to maintain or restore them within defined time frames. The BCMS incorporates multiple complementary tools. The business impact analysis identifies priorities, business continuity plans define response procedures, and crisis management arrangements govern escalation and stakeholder communication. ISO 22301. 2019 is the international standard that defines what a BCMS must include to achieve certification, providing the globally recognized framework for building and demonstrating organizational resilience. Every organization that depends on critical activities, systems, or supply chains needs a BCMS, because disruption does not discriminate by size, sector, or geography. 4 foundational terms underpin business continuity management system implementation. The business impact analysis is the most important analytical step in BCMS development, establishing which activities are critical, what happens if they are disrupted for hours, days, or weeks, and therefore how quickly they must be recovered. A business continuity plan is the operational response document that tells teams exactly what to do when a specific type of incident occurs, covering activation procedures, responsibilities, resources, communications, and recovery steps. The RTO is the maximum time the organization can tolerate a critical activity being unavailable before the impact becomes unacceptable, and it drives the design of recovery strategies and the level of investment in resilience measures. The RPO defines the maximum amount of data loss that is acceptable, measured as a time period, and it drives decisions about backup frequency, data replication, and recovery capabilities for IT systems. Now let us walk through how business continuity management system works in practice. Define BCMS scope and analyze the organizational context. Scope definition establishes which activities, locations, and organizational units the BCMS covers, while context analysis identifies the internal and external factors that shape the organization's resilience requirements. The business impact analysis systematically evaluates each organizational activity to identify which are critical, what the consequences of disruption would be over time, and what the maximum tolerable period of disruption is for each. Recovery strategies are designed to meet the RTO and RPO targets established by the BIA, drawing on options such as redundant systems, alternate work locations, mutual aid agreements, and manual workarounds. Business continuity plans are developed for each significant disruption scenario, communicated to everyone with a response role, and kept current through regular review as the organization's activities and systems evolve. Exercises test the plans under conditions that are as realistic as practicable, identifying gaps before a real incident exposes them, while audits and management reviews drive improvements to keep the BCMS effective. The implementation flow for business continuity management system moves through 5 key stages. Scope and context. Let us explore the key benefits that business continuity management system delivers for organizations. Minimizes the impact and duration of disruptive incidents. Organizations with a well-implemented BCMS recover from disruptions faster and with less financial, operational, and reputational damage because they have planned and resourced their recovery before the incident occurs. When disruption strikes, The BCMS protects the customer relationships and revenue streams that the organization depends on, enabling it to continue serving customers even when operations are significantly constrained. ISO 22301 certification provides customers, regulators, and insurers with credible third-party evidence that the organization has invested seriously in resilience, differentiating it from organizations that have not. In regulated industries including financial services, telecommunications, healthcare, and critical national infrastructure, having a documented and exercised BCMS is a regulatory requirement rather than an optional investment. Let us compare what organizations experience without business continuity management system versus with it in place. Without a BCMS, organizations improvise when disruption strikes, suffer extended downtime, and cannot credibly demonstrate resilience to the customers and regulators who demand it. With a BCMS, every significant disruption scenario has been analyzed, planned for, resourced, and tested, enabling the organization to respond with confidence and recover within defined time frames. Let us bring together the essential points from our introduction to Business Continuity Management System. If you want to build a certified business continuity management system that protects your organization from disruption, our comprehensive ISO 22301 Udemy course covers every requirement with BIA tools, plan templates, and exercise guidance. Enroll today and build the resilience your organization needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more explainer videos.